The journey begins with MongoDB, where all your application data resides in a flexible format that adapts to your evolving needs. As you design your project, think of this database not just as a storage space, but as a dynamic environment that grows alongside your application's requirements. By employing a schema-less structure, you can easily implement changes without fear of data loss or disruption, ensuring your application remains responsive to user demands. Next, transition into Express.js, which serves as the backbone of your web application's server infrastructure. This minimalistic JavaScript framework simplifies the development process, enabling you to set up middleware and routes with ease. With Express.js, handling various server requests becomes a structured and manageable task, fostering an environment conducive to rapid development. Its integration with Node.js allows you to maintain high performance, while also offering countless packages and tools to enhance your application's functionality. As you build, think of Express.js as the oil in your engine, ensuring everything runs smoothly and efficiently, ultimately streamlining your workflow. As we embark on the React stage of our journey, imagine it as the canvas where your creative ideas come to life. This JavaScript library empowers developers to craft interactive and dynamic user interfaces that resonate with users. With its component-based architecture, React enables you to break down the user interface into reusable pieces, effectively managing at scale. As users engage with the application, each click unleashes seamless transitions, showcasing the true potential of real-time updates. This ensures that every action feels instantaneous, leading to a more satisfying experience. By leveraging React's ability to handle state changes efficiently, your users will enjoy a fluid, responsive interaction without unnecessary page reloads, solidifying their connection with your content. The synergy within the MERN stack becomes evident here, as React communicates smoothly with your backend, relying on Express.js and Node.js to fulfill requests and provide timely data. With this understanding, you can create applications that not only meet the demands of modern users but elevate their entire experience through thoughtful design and execution. As you delve into the interaction between React and Node.js, you'll uncover dynamic exchange where front-end actions prompt back-end responses. This seamless communication shapes the user experience, making every interaction feel immediate and engaging, which is vital for retaining user interest and satisfaction in your application. As the components of the MERN stack work together, data travels effortlessly between the database and the user interface. MongoDB stores vital information, while Express.js processes requests and Node.js executes the server-side logic, all in real time. This interconnectedness not only enhances performance but also ensures that developers can create innovative applications that respond quickly to user interactions, paving the way for improved engagement and satisfaction. In summary, by mastering each element of the MERN stack, you empower yourself to craft innovative web applications that are not only effective but also resilient in the face of changing user demands, shaping the future of digital experiences one project at a time. Like, share, and subscribe to KN Tech for more useful content.